all the things which we look at, it will be a bit hardcore than what we have learned till now. So we're looking at standard form of representing a polynomial, very important. So for me, I don't know about others, but for me, representation in the standard form is very important and it's useful in every aspect of maths. So once we learn that, then we learn something about degree and the naming with the help of degree. So first we're looking at standard form of representing a polynomial. So standard form for writing a polynomial is to put the terms in the descending order of their powers. What does that mean? See, a polynomial is made up of many terms. That's the basic definition, right? So, and in each of these terms, we have variables with their powers. So the first term has a power of 3. The second term over here has a power of 1. This is 2, this is 4, and this is by default 0. The power is 0. That is 10, minus 10 can be written as minus 10 into x to the power of 0. Okay, so how do we write this in a standard form? Simple. Start with the highest power with its respective sign. So plus x to the power of 4. Next is plus 4x to the power of 3. Next is minus x square. Next is plus 6x. And the last is minus 10. So this is your standard way of representing a polynomial. So once you do put this in the standard form, right, we get to talk about degree. Degree of a polynomial is the largest exponent of the expression. So once you do arrange in a descending or ascending order, descending order. So in this case, it's the same example. So the degree of this polynomial is 4, the highest power. So degree of this polynomial is 4. In the next example, it's already in standard form, right? 3, 2, 1 and 0, x to the power of 0. So it's already in standard form, and the degree is the highest power, that is 3. Degree is 3. Okay. So once we get to understand, okay, this is the degree, the next thing is we are naming them. So a term which has a expression which has a degree 0 is called as constant. Example 3, 10, root of 26, right? All these are with degrees 0 and they are known as constant. If you look at an expression with the degree being 1, they are known as linear, right? Linear expressions. So p to the power of p 10p minus 4 is a linear expression. Then we have quadratic with the highest power being 2. So x square minus 10 plus 4x. Not written in the standard form, but this is a quadratic expression. Then we have cubic. It's easy to guess. X cube, 10x cube minus root of 4x square plus x minus 10. This is a cubic expression. Then we have quadratic. Quartic. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. So this is x to the power of 4, so on and so forth. Yeah, it need not be x itself, it can be any variable, it can be y also. Y to the power of 4, 10 y to the power of 4 minus blah 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 blah. All these are quadratic. Quintic is to the power of 5. So x to the power of 5 plus 10x to the power of 4 minus 3x to the power of 3 plus x square minus root of 51. This is the quintic. And anything post that is read as, like say I have something like p to the power of 10 minus p square plus 4. This is a polynomial of degree 10, 10th degree polynomial. Okay, so please note that you need not have all the terms. Here I have only 3 terms, but the degree is 10. That's okay. There's nothing wrong in that. But yeah, you need to know how to name it. So because again, the language will be used in different places, so you should not get confused that okay, our teacher is talking about linear equation or expression. What does it mean? It means that the power is 1. Quadratic equations. You have a separate topic. So there too, the heading itself you need to understand. Quadratic means the degree is 2. But what is the degree? When you put something across in a standard form, the highest power, that is the leftmost term's power, is your degree. Of course, you need not put it in a standard form. You can just look at an expression and tell, okay, degree is 4. But yeah, representing something in standard form is very important. It is useful in division of polynomials. It is useful in finding the degree also. It's useful in adding and subtracting and stuff like that. So yes, representing something in standard form is by default very important. And naming conventions and the names you have to get familiar with. Please enroll to our program at chalkpieceacademy.com, wherein we'll be teaching you a lot more tricks for faster simplification calculation, DIY projects. We'll code with Python. We'll work with Arduino Uno. There are a lot more magic tricks and the physics behind it. They are printable materials which will help you recap and understand things better. We'll have live revision and doubt session 2 months before your term exams. It's very cost effective. There would be no ads or any kind of distractions, and we have a dedicated app to help you guys with this.